Elise with Doro Dancing here, and I have another fun one for you. The dance is called Bang Bang, and it's to the song Bang Bang with Jessie J, Ariana Grande, and Nicki Minaj. It is a 32 count 4-wall dance, one little tag towards the end there. Super fun. If you want to learn more dances, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and it'll keep you updated on all our new and upcoming tutorials. All right, I'll see you on the other side. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our very first set of 8 counts. So I'm going to turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, first thing is we're going to take that right foot, we're going to stomp it loud and proud, and we're going to tap those heels 3 times. Then we're going to take our left foot and we're going to swivel it in for a heel toe to where both of our feet are now beneath us. All right, so let's go ahead and put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so moving on to our second set of counts. Now, just like every good line dance, typically what we do to one side, we're gonna do to the other. So we just swiveled that left foot right beneath us. So now we're gonna take that left and we're gonna stomp that left, and then we're gonna tap that heel 3 times while we swivel in that right foot for a heel toe, heel toe. So let's go ahead and put that with the counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go ahead and put 2 and 2 together. So let's take it from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on into that third set of 8 counts. So we just swiveled that left foot right beneath us. So now we're going to take 2 diagonal steps back. So we're going to take that right foot, we're going to step back, meet it together with that left. Then we're going to take that left foot, we're going to step diagonally back with that left, with the grapevine to the right. So we're going to go out with the right, behind with the left, out with the right. We're going to bring it together. All right, so let's go ahead and put some counts with that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, back. 3, 4, bind. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and take it from the top, putting all 3 together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, back. 3, 4, bind. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're on to our final set of counts. So we ended that last one with a grapevine to the right. So this is where our official wall change comes into play. We're going to kick it off with a grapevine to the left. So we're going to go out with our left, behind with our right, out with our left, and we're going to go into a V step. Now I have 2 little variations for you for this V step. You can take that right foot and we're going to go out, out, in, okay? Or if you really want to challenge and you've mastered your balance, all right, when you grapevine to the left, you can get on your heels for a heel, heel, back, back. Whatever you decide to do, just own it. All right, let's go ahead. Let's put some counts behind that. Here we go. Grapevine to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're putting the whole thing together, all the way from the top with the counts. I'm going to turn around. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, back 3, 4, bind 5, 6, 7, 8, bind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so as I mentioned before, this does have a little bit of an itty bitty tag towards the end. In the song, they start kind of wrapping it out. And so we're gonna do the V step twice. Now, if this is my front wall, it's gonna happen on that back wall. So I'll actually be facing you, the audience, when we do this double tag. So again, it's gonna come off of that left side grapevine, and you're gonna do the V step twice. So you're gonna go forward, forward, back, back again, and then we stomp it out, taking it from the tippy top. All right, you did it. You learned a new sassy fun dance. If you're ready to officially dance it out with me, go ahead, click the link above, and I'll see you on the other side.